Welcome to the future of maintenance and reliability with EZO CMMS, a platform designed to empower professionals in today's demanding industrial environments. EZO CMMS equips you with cutting-edge tools to maximize equipment uptime and streamline work order management. Our AI-powered checklists, automation, and predictive maintenance features provide real-time insights, enhancing productivity and minimizing downtime. Across industries such as manufacturing, utilities, oil and gas, and facilities management, EZO CMMS offers tailored solutions. Our system centralizes maintenance planning, simplifies workflows, and connects with IoT devices to deliver predictive analytics, driving unprecedented reliability and efficiency in your operations. As your business evolves, EZO CMMS grows with you. Our platform integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, supporting your operations from implementation to expansion. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, we ensure your success through every stage. As SMRP 2024 comes to a close, we invite you to explore how EZO CMMS can elevate your maintenance strategies. Now is the perfect time to implement the insights you've gained and optimize your operations with our solutions. Thank you for joining us at SMRP 2024. Remember, EZO CMMS is here to support your mission of achieving excellence in maintenance and reliability.